Hi guys, this is Rakesh here and I'm from IT University, a free open online university for IT professionals and students. Guys, I'm working on a playlist getting started Apache Spark, and a part of this video is a second part video of a video which was Spark streaming with Apache Spark and with integration it and integrating it with Kafka. I hope you had seen this video because if you have not seen this video is of no use. So in the previous video, what I had done was I had started a Zookeeper and a Kafka server, and um, I had created a topic with the IT Versity, and there's a producer which is going to send some data onto this particular topic. Uh, in the previous video, I had a consumer, but in this video, what I had done is I had removed a consumer and I had written a program. What it will do is it acts as a consumer to Spark's own uh, cluster. In here, I'm not using a cluster. I'm running it on a local machine. But what I'm trying to say is how I can have a Spark streaming as a how can I integrate a Kafka and how can I integrate Spark streaming and how the data can be uh, traversed from producer from Kafka to Spark streaming and okay I can what operations I can do on the same. So guys, this is very simple program which I had written. The program name is Kafka word count, and in which what I'm doing is I'm taking four inputs uh, from the command line, which would be a zookeeper quorum, group, topics, and number of threads. So this program actually um, uh, would take four of the inputs. ZK quorum is nothing but localhost 2181. I hope you remember how that 2181 was coming. So this is nothing but a zookeeper connection string which was there. So I'll be using this, and group is nothing but I'll create a group which will be IT varsity group. Topics will be, suppose there are n number of topics and I want to get data from each of the topic, like IT varsity is one of a topic, but I can give a topic separated by commas and what will be the number of threads which I would like to run to perform this. So for that, I need not to do anything. I hope you are okay till this part, which is nothing but creating a Spark streaming context. Correct? I'm setting a master and giving a name, Kafka word count. And so what is this? Checkpoint. So guys, this is nothing but checkpoint is needed when we use uh, methods like reduce by key in window and update by key. This is nothing but a directory in which suppose I my system crashes and I want to recover from data from a particular key. So what it do is it it actually acts like a directory from which it will go and check, and it will check from where the data has been lost, and it actually resiliently it actually will act as a resilient, it actually will help the RDD to be resilient. So guys, I'll not discuss more on this. So I had given a checkpoint. You can give anything over here. I'm not using checkpoint at this moment of time. So what I'll do is I'll create a topic map. What it will do is it will check what the topic is coming. It will split it by commas, but in my case it will be only one, and then it will create a map in which what I'm doing is it will be a map in the number of threads to int and then to map. So this is nothing but I have created a topic map. Then how to get lines from uh, the Spark streaming. Guys, I hope you remember that the data written on the topic is in the form of key and value. The value is the line and the key is the offset that we use in partitions and other stuff. So what we'll do is we'll give the values Kafka utis dot create stream, Spark streaming context, the values like zookeeper address, groups, topic map, and then the value. This is how I will get the value from. So it will give me the value. If I'll give one over here, it will give me a key, which is offset, which I don't want. I need a value. So this is it. So then now I have lines. What I need to do is I need nothing to do but how I can get words. Line dot flat map dot split and by a space. Okay. Then how I can calculate words. This is very simple. I hope you remember how we can calculate the words. And then we used to have reduce by key in my simple um, uh, NYSE MapReduce. If you remember that, reduce by key was here. In here, what we are doing is reduce by key and window. The first column is same. It will give me the number count, and then it will and there's a underscore minus underscore, which will be an inverse function. What it will do is it will not go and see what were the previous values, but it will always give me the initial values. Then minutes 10 is window interval, and seconds 2 is nothing but uh, a slider interval. Guys, to I would create another playlist in which I'll explain these topics in details, but just remember that window interval would be the interval through which I would want my my D stream to be traversed, and on that intervals will be 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds it will fetch for the data stream, and this is the number of tasks I can have: one, two, three, or anything. Okay. Then what I'm doing is I'm doing nothing, but I'm printing it. I hope you remember this. Spark context or star and wait for termination. So guys, I'm ready. What I'll do is I'll start it. Let me show you. To get this, what I had done was I had included a new dependency, which is here. Version I had given 1.4.1, Apache Kafka 2.11. Remember 2.11 or 2.10 if you are using Scala version 2.10. And the imports are here, which are also very simple. Yep. So guys, this is it. What I'll do is I'll start this. Sorry. Okay, it has started. And so what I'll do is I'll start sending messages. So yeah, you can see the values at the count is coming. Okay, that's it. I hope you're liking my videos and you have subscribed to our channel, which is ITversity. I'll create a new playlist in which I'll explain Spark's own development in detail. And you can follow me on Twitter as well. IT in which LinkedIn profile. So this is me, Rakesh, Big Data Fanatic. I'm a certified developer. I think this is it. Thank you guys. Kindly subscribe to our channel, and you're getting a lot of information which is free. I'm telling you. Thank you guys.